We are assembled here to celebrate the joining of this man and this woman in the unity of marriage. There are no obligations on earth sweeter or more tender than those that you're about to assume. There are no vows more solemn than those you're about to take. There is no human institution more sacred than the bond you are about to form. The state of matrimony is based on a deep, indivisible union of two souls who seek to find completion in one another. Do you understand this?
Yes, I do.
Will you take this woman whose hands you hold, choosing her alone to be your wedded wife? Will you live with her in a state of true matrimony? Will you love her, comfort her, through good times and bad, in sickness and in health, and honor her at all times to be faithful to her?
I do.
Courtney, will you take this man whose hands you hold, choosing him alone to be your wedded husband? Will you live with him in a state of true matrimony? Will you love him, comfort him through good times and bad, in sickness and in health, honor him at all times, and be faithful to him?
I do.
I, Christos, take you, Courtney,
To be my wife,
to be my wife,
to love and cherish,
to love and cherish,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
and pledge you my faith.
and pledge you my faith.
I, Courtney,
I, Courtney,
take you, Christos,
take you, Christos,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
and pledge you my faith.
and pledge you my faith.
In the union of matrimony, and you have pledged your faith and commitment each to others in the presence of these witnesses, and by the authority vested in me by the state of New Jersey and our Holy Lady of the Perpetual Internet, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Economopoulos.
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey, baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go. No one will know.
You could see how beautiful they are together, how beautiful my children are, how beautiful my family is, how beautiful you all are. I'm just thanking you for showing up, and let's hope they show up for each other for the rest of their lives. Thank you.
And it's on, girl. Don't say no, 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 no. Just say yeah, 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 yeah. And we'll
I still remember when Chris first told me about you. I do. I won't say anything else. But there was a giddiness in his voice. It's amazing how much he loves you. When your best buddy meets their life partner, you hope it's a Courtney. So thanks so much.
Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing?
And I still remember when Doc first told me she met this Irish guy, who I later learned was also Greek. And how from the very beginning it was obvious that this relationship was something special.
Tell me right now, baby. Tell me right now, baby, baby. Oh, it's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do.
My hope and wish for you is that in another 20 years, you'll look back on this day and the years in between with the fondness of memories, excitement for the future, and realize that you still have a lot of life to live, many experiences yet to come. You'll see friendships and relationships come and go, and hopefully we're still all stuck.
I think I wanna marry you.